Y'all thought I was gone, man. I ain't gone. I'm still here. I just had to take a little break from the YouTube thing, y'all. But I'm right back here. I'm gonna keep making these videos for y'all. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for me, and we're gonna get right into it, guys. But let me ask you something right quick. Any of y'all out there holding Tesla? Have you seen what's going on with Tesla? Better yet, man, the valuation on the stock's coming way, way down, guys. We're gonna talk about it. Let's get right into it. So in the past 3 months, guys, look at this. It is down 60%. 60%, guys. The past year, we're looking at a 70% drop, 69%. Nice, Elon. Check that out. Elon's did it on purpose, man. He wanted the stock to be down 69% on the year. You can't convince me. And change my mind. Tell me he didn't do that on purpose. I got a little video right here, guys. Why Tesla shares are in a tailspin? Good old Doomberg, man.
Hi,
Get
and
out here
thanks
with
for
Doom.
having me. I don't think that debate that we always had about Tesla, whether it's a tech company, whether it's a car company, or is it a weird amalgamation of tech and a car company, that has not been settled yet, really, right? Because on one hand, if you compare Tesla with Tesla has declined this year with the other technology mega caps, it's the worst performer on the
That's the question, though, guys. Do you view this as a tech company or a car company? And the reason I even bring this up is the fact that like Tesla fans, like people who really like Tesla stock, are still buying the dip, guys. They're unbowed by the $720 billion wipeout. I'll be honest with you. I went ahead and picked me up a couple shares the other day. I went ahead and bought 2 shares of it. One was right there close to 120, 115, I think it was. Yeah, I went ahead and put a buy order in for 2 shares. It hit it. So yeah, picked up 2 more shares of Tesla. So yeah, you can count me in that list. I'm buying it. And like I said, it's been on a 7 day lose. It's been on a longer losing streak. I think it might have had a couple days in there where it stayed flat or it came up a little bit, but it's been. I just showed you the chart, man. It's been on a steady downtrend for months now, and it's cut down to like a third, fourth of what it was just a year ago, guys. And like it'll get back up there. I know it will. It's just a matter of when will it happen? Because we're in this big, macro bear market. We got the Fed constantly raising the interest rates and stuff. So all had to be seen in due time. I feel like.
NYSE Farm Plus Index this year. It's worse, it's doing even worse than Meta Platforms, which is Facebook owner and about whose troubles.
He says worse than Meta. I think it's in the same ballpark, man. Meta's been destroyed this year too. I've been thinking about buying some more Meta, but I think I'm gonna let it come down just a little bit more. The Meta's trading around the same price per share. I think it's about the same market cap now too, even. So I think both stocks are fantastic for the long term. Nothing I say is financial advice, but I'm also looking at Meta. I'll be honest.
We are all pretty familiar with. But I think it also comes back to this argument that what is common, however, especially in this like big sell-off this year, is that for most of these companies, that aggressive growth outlook that was built into their valuation at the beginning of the year has started faltering, and that's exactly what we're seeing.
Well, let's talk a little bit about that, because I mean we know the underperformance versus some of the tech companies, even underperforming traditional car companies like Ford and GM. But there was that growth story that you mentioned here,
and it's underperforming for the year, but if you go back to like 2, 3, 4 year, 5 year time frame, 10 year time frame, this thing is way outperformed like Ford or Chrysler, Toyota, you name it, GM, you name it. It don't matter what car company you want to talk about. Ford and GM, the first two that come to mind because they're publicly traded American companies, but this thing has massively outperformed them guys, and that's never mind like the massive head start they got in the EV market. Like Ford and GM ain't got nowhere near the infrastructure for EVs and stuff that Tesla does. You're seeing superchargers pop up everywhere now, but
been so much chatter.
Whatever. The big thing that's weighing on it lately is that they cut their production, and they're comparing Tesla to Rivian. We'll get to that in a second. We'll get to that in a second. I want to show you this right here. They're saying December sell-off is amid concerns that China production's paused. That Tesla came out, Elon, came out the other day saying that they're cutting production in China. I think it was about 8 days. He said, call it a week, just call it a week. And it was already bad news for the stock because people were just kind of worried about Elon messing around with Twitter and stuff, guys. And it's just been ugly for the stock. I ain't gonna lie to you. He's thinking about putting a new CEO in for Twitter, so let's hope that goes through. But yeah, that's the main thing driving it down right now. Is they're expecting lower production in 2023 Q1. So the next earnings report, guys, will be what we need to watch for. So I need to pull up the date for that. When is Tesla's next earnings? When is Tesla Q1 earnings 2020? No. When is it going to be? I can't find the date for it. Oh, there it is. 1/25/23. So January 25th, guys. That's the day to watch. And estimated EPS is 1.1. So that's the number to beat, 1.18. So have to watch out for that. And, I want to get into this right quick too. Tesla, Rivian, man. I'm not even going to Rivian, man. I mean, sure they got that little Amazon thing going on, but I mean, Tesla's still a clear winner here, y'all. Like, let's be real. Let's not even like entertain the fact that has Rivian even produced any cars? And like, let's pull it up. You know what? I'm about to just settle this whole thing right here. Let's pull up Rivian's balance sheet, man. I'm about to show y'all something right quick. Yeah, let me see that balance sheet, y'all. Look at this. You're gonna have to see this. You have to see it to believe it. All right, where we got company insights. But look at this total asset, guys. What's that? 22 million. All right. Okay. Total debt though is about 19. Wait, hold on. One. Okay, so they actually got a little more than I thought they would. Oh, whoa, hold on. The assets though is not like actual cash though. I want to see how much cash they got. Ain't showing it on here. Income statement. There we go. Okay, total revenue is about $1 million. Okay. EBITDA. Look at all these negatives, man. Expenses. They're losing so much money, guys. This is the problem with Rivian. And you saw, Tesla has a positive EPS, so they're actually making money. Rivian, you definitely can't say the same thing. Negative EBIT, negative EBITDA. Oops, sorry. Depreciation. Yeah, you got your net income. I mean, look at that. Net income is negative $7.5 million, guys. And I don't see the cash on here. I don't see. I'm probably overlooking it. I'm looking for like how much cash they have on hand. I can't find it. But yeah, guys. I mean, their net revenue is negative $7.5 million. Like, they even got to explain that. Like, come on now. Tesla, I can show you, is profitable. So I mean, it's like, again, go to that 5-year chart, guys. This thing's up 400%. They're talking about how Ford and GM are much better. Oh, let's pull up Ford too. Yeah, let's pull up Ford just because they brought it up. I guarantee you, it's not up 400% in the last 5 years. It's actually down, and it's outperforming. They said it's down 12%. If you've invested in Ford in the last 5 years, you broke now. You done lost you some damn money. And, Ford, look at that, just trading sideways. Look at that, just trading sideways. There's a hold stock, yeah, only because of the dividend. The dividend's actually kind of decent, but other than that, nah. If you're a dividend investor, this is probably a good one just because the value is actually pretty decent. It's trading for a 5 price to earnings, guys. This stock is dirt cheap. It's got a decent price target. Again, nothing I say is financial advice, but you actually want to make some real money, like long-term investing, you need to stick with Tesla. I'm just gonna be honest with you. You don't need to be wasting your time with this right here. And I can pull up the same for GM too. I can say the same thing for GM. Let's see how it did on the 5-year, guys. I guarantee it's not up 400% either. Look at that. It's actually down 20. You lost money investing in General Motors as well. What are they even talking about? But that gets to the point of it, though. Tesla is not just a car company. They do solar panels. They do batteries. They're working on charging for batteries, and they got all this AI and stuff. They ain't got talked about AI yet. It's just they're making robots. They're doing self-driving, and well, you think Ford and GM is going to do that? No. And when they do, it's going to be like decades down the road. Apple already had to stop their whole thing. So Tesla's a clear winner by far and away. Deep moat, good brand loyalty. It's just all this is just noise, man. It's just noise. That's why I had to come on here and talk about it, y'all. I know if you're following the channel, you know I was away for a little while there. Like I'm back, y'all. So leave me that like button, hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll leave links down in the description so y'all can help support the channel if you want to. Buy some Shibu Coffee Company. I got them supporting the channel, affiliate link. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. And I'm out.